Having trouble updating your payment method on Afterpay? I'll guide you through it. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Today, I'll show you how to update your payment method in Afterpay quickly and easily. First, open the Afterpay app and log into your account. Go to Account Settings or Payment Methods. Select the payment method you want to update or add a new one by tapping Add Payment Method. Enter your new card details or bank info as required. Save the changes and make sure your new payment method is set as the default. Afterpay will now charge your updated payment method for upcoming installments. Remember to keep your payment info current to avoid failed payments or late fees. If you run into any issues, contact Afterpay customer support for help. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment with your questions below on Guide with Samuel. Thanks for watching.